Sanibonani. Ngiye ngizwe kuthiwa the truth shall set you free. So lalela mntomnyama. Ngikhathele mina ukuphila kanje. Akuyona impilo that we were meant to live lena. Akuyona impilo that uNkulunkulu planned for us. Impilo esayiphiwe isitha le. And ayilunganga. Asiqale. Once upon a time, we had a beautiful family and we had a beautiful mother. Sizombiza ngoVeziwe. You see, uVeziwe wavusa iy'ngane zakhe ekuseni on a Monday. Wayitshena ukuthi it's okay, aniye esikoleni. There's something that I want us to do. uVeziwe told iy'ngane ukuthi aziye esikoleni, wayitshena ukuthi ayihambe ziyogeza bazoya somewhere. Zajabula iy'ngane ukuthi aziye esikoleni, okumnandi kunakho konke khona la ziya khona noma wabo. Even though they were of poor family, kodwa iy'ngane had uma wayo and that's all they needed. And so zagijima zayogeza, zagcoba, zagqoka. Everything was so fun. It was gonna be a fun day for bona kumnandi. uVeziwe ubonile ukuthi ingane seyiqedile ukugqoka sekusele nje lo mncane ona 14 because she's a girl usafuna ukuyiphopotha abe muhle yabo for an outing. And so she told ingane lezi ezinye ukuthi let's sit down, let's pray. Baqala ke baba wethu sezulwini mangcwelisa igama lakho. It was so nice though. It was so nice and ingane zona besijaha ukuthi okay uma aqeda ukuthandaza so we can leave. Ayikho into innocent njengengane. Ingane izwile nje ukuthi kuyahanjwa and they were so excited. So finally when everything was done, bavala isicapha, balokha and they decided to take a walk through a forest bezohamba baze bafike la abaya khona. uVeziwe once esebona ukuthi sebe deep in the forest and ngeke babonwe umuntu, she decided to stop in the middle of the forest wakhipha icandy yamakundane. Watshena ingane ukuthi nizophuza nonke one by one icandy yamakundane. Icandy. The oldest yengane ena 14 yasola ukuthi khonto wrong eyenzekalayo, yabuza uma wayo ukuthi why ufuna sidle icandy yamakundane and uma wayo wathetha wathi you can't question me, idlala candy yabo. And then ingane ya decide ukubaleka. So kwasala le 3 yengane and they were so trusting of uma wayo. They were so young and innocent but decide ukuthi bazoyithatha le candy yamakundane bayidle. Ingane ate uhalf wonke webhodlela lamakundane.